up, gang, click, mob? It's your boy 9 Trey, man. 93V hands on, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Do I need to remind y'all boys, man, about 3-4 videos back, man? On your mama page, on your grandma page and shit? You feel me? Matter of fact, let me remind y'all boys one time. Nigga, double tap that like 2 times, nigga. Go on your mama computer, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Go on your mama computer, nigga, and like that bitch. Nigga. Subscribe on your mama page, nigga. Subscribe on your granny page, nigga. Subscribe on your cousin. But yeah, man, I'm back. It's up and it's stuck. Y'all already know what's going on. I'm finna pull up on your boy Corey, man. I'm finna go drop this tank on this C10, man. Y'all boys are fucking with that last video real tough. Make sure y'all like this one. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all new to the channel. I got 35,000 views, nigga. I ain't getting nothing but about 300 subscribers. So y'all boys, man, y'all need to tune in, man. Make sure y'all lock in with the gang. Y'all see I got my chain, niggas, SSG for real. Know what I'm talking about? But it's up, man. I'm finna pull up on your boy. I got about an hour drive. I just jumped on the freeway. Know what I'm saying? And shit, we finna go drop the tank on this C10, clean this tank out, cause last time we did everything under the hood, got under the hood ready. Probably can do an engine bay clean or something on it today too. Know what I'm saying? Depending on how this heat. But the sun is out today, but it ain't just out. We got cloud coverage. So, you know what I'm saying? It might not be so hot today. You know what I'm talking about? I need to start wearing these hats and just let my waters just glisten. This, man, I just need to let these hoes glisten. But yeah, long story short, man, y'all already know what time it is, man. 9 Tree, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. It's hands on. Link in with the gang, my boy. It's up and it's stuck. Yup, y'all already know what time it is. Stay tuned. I don't know how the hell we gonna do this shit, but I'm gonna get this shit started. Know we finna do this tank. But the gas tank right here, fellas. This bitch ain't too big. I'll probably pop this book out real quick, real easy. It's supposed to be 8 bolts on the inside. Let me see if y'all can see them boys up there. See them 4 right there? Then there's 4 more down there. And that book will come off. Yep. Alright. Start on this first little bolt right here. I ain't gonna cap, but every time I see that view pressure, boy. That shit crazy. Alright, gang, I got 3 of the bolts out. Got 1 more bolt on this side. That bolt is tight, boy. See, y'all see that little bracket right there? So it's holding it on, so it's not gonna just drop on me. I got all 4 of the bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got all them 4. Now I need to get at them 4 bolts. They're in a little bit of a tighter spot, but I'll still be able to get them. Put that extension on there and get at it. I ain't gonna even cap, gang. Corey came in handy with this one, my boy. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I wish I would've had it from the start. Cause, you know what I'm saying? Going by hand with these rusted motherfuckers, boy. Yeah, going by hand with these rusted motherfuckers. With this book here ain't it, my boy. They ain't just too rusted, but still, it's a little challenge. Hopefully this booger here got enough torque. I never worked with a Ryobi right here like this. Let me see. Shit. Ryobi handling the business, boy. Ryobi handling the business. All right, so look, we got 1 more bolt on this side. Once we get this bolt off, that's all the major bolts for the tank itself. You know what I'm saying? And Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. This tank might got a lot of gas in it. Well, it ain't too much. Y'all did that bitch up in my stomach. There's another boat down here. I think it's a smaller size. I don't think it's a 15. Get my body from up under that booger. Then hit this boat. Alright, gang and gang gets. So right now we just gotta get them hoses off. I already got the tank dropped down from when I moved that bracket. So we got a couple bolts in here. With them mills. A lot of times Chevy be horn. That's probably a weird ass number. A 7. I'm gonna try 8 first. It might be an 8. Nope. Told y'all. See that? It's not an 8, my boy. No, it's always some weird shit. Like a 7, 6, a 7. So pop that off real quick and we're gonna drop the tank, gang. Yes, sir. So, gang, we got the tank down. I thought it was a bunch of gas in it, but it ain't. So alright, gang, I really kind of want to sit y'all boys up so we can both get a glimpse of this tank together. That way we can't really just tear this damn driveway up. So trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I might end up taking this tank to the crib just so that we can get it right. But I'm gonna open it up first just to see, is it like light rust in it or is it heavy rust? Cause yeah, if it's heavy, it's most definitely we gotta go to the highs with it and we come back and put it back up and go from there. That's him. Oh man. Oh yeah, gang. Oh, it's bad. Oh my God. Ooh, shit, it stink. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, it's bad, gang. I'm gonna put this back. Yep. So it's not gonna be no one-day job, gang. It's gonna be probably a 2-part video because this booger here gotta go to the crib. It's bad. Yep. Put this gas cap back on this booger. Yeah, I gotta go ahead and go to the crib with it. You know what I'm saying? I have to come back and put this book up at a better time. Probably Monday or something. Tuesday, maybe Tuesday. Tuesday might be the best day. I know I'm gonna have baby Zoe with me, but yeah. Yeah, gang, we gotta take that to the crib. I'm finna put these tools up. We done with that. We go pull up on Ed, and we're gonna see what's the best remedy. I know we can do some CLR, do some pressure washing, all kind of stuff, but it's gonna need a new sending unit for sure, and a lot of stuff. But that's what happened when you let these trucks sit up like that. You know what I'm saying? Any old school battery gonna die on you, and shit, all the rest of that. So I'm gonna put the bolts back inside the tank where they go. That way we don't lose them. And shit, when I get done cleaning this up, we gonna slide, man. We finna slide. All right, gang. little tool back. And go Raj. It's up from there, my boy. Got this here one eye. Hey y'all, this another thing, man. This that Lambo here, man. I never really got it on good video, but yeah. Yeah, it is. Matter of fact, I don't even know what kind of Lambo this is. Hopefully the name on the back. You see it got the motor on the back. Comment down below if y'all know what this is. Cause I don't. I would think it was like an intercooler or something, but I don't know if this thing got turbos on it or not. If it did, you would be able to see something back there. It's all aluminum under there. Boys never really get to look at the bottom of the Lambo. This baby clean, boy. This baby clean, boy. It might start y'all up another one later on, but it is what it is. We gonna make what we can make out of that. So y'all boys stay tuned for that Raffle truck. Y'all know your boy boosted him. Fucked off a wheel. He pulled to me, y'all, so it's bad wheel season. Real talk. And it's loose. Ain't that about a bitch? Back wheel too. I wonder how you get no damage on the body. Oh, your back wheel gone too, boy. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fight another day. Yes, sir. Y'all made it this far through the video. Hey, say man, appreciate y'all boy that number love. Your boy gone, man. It's hot out here. I knocked that tank down. Corey gone, so it is what it is. I'll be back. It's time to be back. It's time to knock that thing out. Back to the north I go. Yo.